Hello everyone, I'm D Flutes. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. This is another customer's flute. This flute here, I created it for a customer. His name is Kevin. And if you bear with me, I want to tell you a little bit about Kevin's flute. This here is one of my new 2019 flute designs. It's in the key of D. It's a bass D tuned to 528 Hertz. I already have a video up of a bass D tuned to 528 Hertz, but I made this one here a little bit different. This is my new and improved bass D flute. And what's so new about this one here compared to my other bass D, I made the finger holes closer together at the bottom. So I was able to figure out a way to make this flute sound the same, perform the same, but make it much easier to play. You don't have to stretch your fingers out as far. So as you can see, this one here is much closer together. Kevin's flute, this flute here is an oil finish, and it's been produced with a 1-inch bore. The wood has not been split. This is a one-piece flute. It's been bored out using a gun drill, so he won't have to ever worry about his flute cracking. His flute is very durable if he takes care of it. It will last him a lifetime. And as you can see, as I mentioned, the finger holes are much closer together. On my last bass D, the finger holes was a little bit further apart. So I figured out a way to get the same voice with a much closer finger holes. I'm just trying to make these flutes as easy as possible. I'm trying to make them to where you all can play them as easy as possible with no pain. You know, I just want you to enjoy your flute when you get one from me. The finger holes are small and they're close together. Kevin wanted my wolf fetish with turquoise eyes. He wanted dark leather, so I gave him dark brown leather, genuine leather, very soft. The oil on it's very smooth. And as you can see, it has a little satin shine. I feel like his flute came out really nicely, folks. Kevin, when you get your flute, buddy, smell right here. It's got a sweet smell. I just love the way that oil smells. Up on the bottom, you will see bass D, and it's tuned to 528 Hertz. You can see it. Be right on the bottom. His flute will take very little breath. It's crystal clear. It's recording quality and it's concert tuned. Now on this bass D, all you have to do is play softly, just like you do any other flute. First hole softly, your second hole with a little bit more breath, third hole with a little bit more breath, Fourth hole, you're going to keep it closed at all times until you get good enough to play it. Fifth hole, more breath. Sixth hole, more breath. And of course your higher notes, you hit a little bit more breath. That way they'll come out clear for you. Bass D, tuned to 528 Hertz, the frequency of love, produced with a 1-inch bore. I'm just doing a very short sound sample. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful voice. See how it didn't take much breath? I can play this flute all day long and it won't feel like I've worked. That's how I'm making these flutes, folks. I want you to be able to play these flutes and enjoy them. I don't want you to be tired. Excuse me. I don't want you to be tired when you get through playing one of these flutes. So if you like Kevin's flute, Kevin, I hope you enjoyed it, buddy. I done my best on your flute. I feel like it's one of the best bass Ds that I have made. He has a wonderful voice. I enjoy playing it. If you would like a flute like Kevin's, he has a wolf fetish. They will come with different fetishes. I'll email you photos of all of the fetishes that I'm making as of right now for this particular flute. And as of right now, it is on sale. I promise you folks, you will not beat these prices for this type of quality. So email me and I will send you the sale prices for all of these flutes, photos of all of the fetishes, and you'll have many options to choose from. You'll have 440, you'll have, of course, this 528 Hertz, which will have the higher tone, the frequency of love. The 440 Hertz, which you can play with any other instrument from a music store. That's the key or the tone that they tune their instruments to. Their pianos, their guitars, their organs, everything is tuned to 440 from a music store. And also 432 Hertz. You know, that's what you can get with the bass D. You can get those 3 tones. So if you would like one of those flutes, just shoot me an email, and like I said, I'll send you those prices, those sale prices, or just shoot me a phone call and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and Kevin, I hope you enjoyed your flute, buddy. Thank you so much for purchasing it.